So my time has come, I'll lay my weapons down. Every avenue run dry and simple blank, and I can't wait to find the reasons. I can't wait to feel the seasons. On my face, on my face, on my face. So I'll bend it till it breaks right through and through. Every step we took, a complex faded gray. I can't wait to know the present. But I can't wait for this dear heaven. In my veins, in my veins, in my veins. And all we have is dust, running fingers through the sand. Mediocrity is coming right for me. It's in my hands, 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 in my hands. Forgiveness, oh, I won't let it go. Help my eyes see grace poured out from heaven's throne. And mercy, oh, I can't let it be. Keep my heart wide open as you cover me. Thank you, Jesus, you speak to me and call me clean. Thank you, Jesus, you bring me back to your heartbeat, and I can feel you around me, and heaven is not far from here at all. Your presence, how I found my home, hearing your heartbeat again. Oh, shame is gone. Your guidance is showing me to see. Reside my heart in openness. You've covered me. And thank you, Jesus, you speak to me and call me clean. Thank you, Jesus, you bring me back to your heart beating. I can feel you around me, and heaven is not far from here at all. At all. In every season, you have brought me back home, and you surround me. Forgiven, I am not alone. In every season, you have brought me back home, and you surround me. Forgiven, I am not alone. Oh, how I feel you around me. How I feel you around me. Oh, how I feel you around me. Oh, how I feel you around me.
ここすごいよ、ここ素敵じゃないのここなんか。
You're growing taller than you know you are, getting stronger in places unseen. So while you're walking the valley to the lookout, let love be the guide unto thee. Don't let this moment set your outlook. Have hope to see beyond the stars. This darkness is fading. So hope against hope, against hope. Just hope against hope, against hope. And you look like glory, though you feel dirty, and your heart made pure like gold. Oh, so watch this trial become your triumph. Look around and see your path unfold. Oh, don't let this moment set your outlook. Have hope to see beyond the stars. This darkness is fading. So hope against hope, against hope. Just hope against hope, against hope. There's no reason to run. Don't hide from my light.